ever pondered about the longevity of your car starter? How long will it keep your engine humming and your wheels turning before it finally decides to take a well-deserved retirement? Well, let's dive into the world of car starters to unravel this mystery. Picture a car starter as the unsung hero of your vehicle, a silent worker that breathes life into your car every time you turn the key or push that start button. It's an electric motor that initiates piston motion in your car's internal combustion engine, setting in motion a chain of events that ultimately results in your car moving. Think of it like the first domino in a long line, the spark that sets everything else in motion. When you turn the ignition key or press the start button, it sends an electrical impulse to the starter motor. This triggers the starter gear to engage with the flywheel, effectively turning the engine over. And just like that, your car roars to life, ready to take on the journey ahead. Now, coming back to the question at hand, how long does this little miracle worker last? The lifespan of a car starter is not set in stone. A multitude of factors come into play, such as the make and model of your vehicle, the conditions in which you drive, and how well you maintain your car. However, on average, a car starter should last between 7 to 10 years. That's right, 7 to 10 years of faithful service, tirelessly starting your engine day in and day out. But remember, this is just an average. Some car starters might decide to clock out earlier, while others might soldier on beyond a decade. It's like people in a way. Some of us are marathon runners, going strong even in our twilight years, while others prefer a more leisurely pace to life. The key here is to pay attention to the signs. If your car is having difficulty starting, if it's making strange noises, or if the check engine light is flashing, it might be time to give your car starter a little TLC. In conclusion, the lifespan of your car starter is akin to a game of roulette. Unpredictable, but with some careful observation and regular maintenance, you can ensure that it continues to serve you well for many years. So, next time you get into your car and set off on your journey, spare a thought for this little component that works tirelessly to ensure that your journey begins smoothly. And remember, every journey begins with a single turn of the key or push of a button, courtesy of your car starter.